African elephants respond to individual names that sound like low rumbles. That's according to a new study by academics in the United States who say these can be heard over long distances across the savannah.
So we undertook this study by recording elephants. They speak infrasonically and sonically. So about half of the sound in their call is below our level of hearing, so we actually cannot hear it. And so we had to use a special microphone to record these calls, and we also had to be quite close to them because sound attenuates with distance. And so we wanted to get all the structure in that call in order to try to study what's actually going on.
It's extremely rare for wild animals to call each other by unique names.
Elephants do these really interesting behaviors where sometimes when they're in a big group, a female or a matriarch of a group will give a call and the entire group will respond. They'll group up around her, they'll follow her or whatever. And then other times she gives seemingly a very similar call, and nobody will respond, nobody will react to that call except for a single elephant in the group. And that elephant will respond or come up to her or whatever. And so that sort of indicates that they have a means by which to communicate who they want to talk to.
The so-called naming animals, like dolphins and parrots, are also able to learn unique new sounds throughout their lives, a talent that elephants also possess.
There's definitely a lot of potential to learn more about elephant calls. I think we've just scratched the surface of how complex their communication is.
The scientists used machine learning to detect the use of names in the recordings they'd made in Kenya. They then tested their results by playing them back to individual elephants who responded more energetically, flapping their ears and lifting their trunks to those that contained their name.